Good morning children, welcome to the e-class of Default School Baripada. I Tapas sir going to teach class 6 students moral science lesson number 6, Be a True Indian. This lesson is in your second unit test course. So children, please listen this video attentively at home. It was a pleasant Sunday afternoon. Grandfather was watching television with great interest. After lunch, the family gathered around grandfather. Grandfather, what are you watching? 6-year-old Vikram asked curiously. A reporter is interviewing people on the street. He wants to find out what they know about our country history. Grandfather explained. Oh, everyone knows Independence Day, Republic Day, Vikram mother said. Now it is a Sunday afternoon. Whole family were watching television. Grandfather was watching with great interest. That time Vikram, the grandson, 6-year-old boy, asked to his grandfather, Grandfather, what are you watching so curiously or interestingly or attentively in the TV or television? Grandfather told to Vikram that I am watching an interview of a reporter who is asking the people who are going in the street about the important history of our country. So then Vikram's mother told, everyone knows Independence Day, Republic Day, these are the important days of our Indian history. Let's watch and see. We will find out soon, grandfather said. Interview. Why is Republic Day celebrated? Common man. I know there is a national parade on Republic Day in Delhi. Interviewer. Can you name a few leaders who helped our country get freedom? Teenager. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and rest. I can't remember. Now the reporter is asking to the public, why is Republic Day celebrated? Then one of the person from the crowd told, I know there is a parade in Republic Day in Delhi and I don't know anything about Republic Day. Then he asked to one of the child in the street, can you name some of the important leaders of our freedom fighter or freedom movement? Then the boy told, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and rest, I don't know anybody's name. Then interviewer, what is our national animal? He asked the question to one of the men. I think it is Bengal tiger or it is the peacock. The man is saying, I think, I am not sure, Bengal tiger or peacock is a national animal. Interviewer, what does the chakra in the middle of our national flag stand for? Common man is saying, you mean Ashok Chakra? I guess it means something. The man is saying, the public is saying, I don't know, you are talking about Ashok Chakra, I don't know anything about Ashok Chakra. I am sure that it means something, that's why Ashok Chakra is put in the national flag. Interviewer, what kind of clothes did Gandhiji wear with his hand? Then he asked to one person, what kind of clothes did Gandhiji weave with his hand? Then one of the teenager one of the boy told, some kind of cotton. That I only know some kind of cotton he used to weave with his hand to wear clothes. Interviewer, can you sing our national anthem? Then one more question he asked to a boy, teenager. I will sing half of it because I don't know the word properly. That boy told, I can sing half of it as I don't know the full song or full national anthem. Grandfather was very upset and switched off the television. People don't seem to have patriotic feeling anymore. If we love our country, we will try to know more about it. He said sadly, Grandfather, don't worry. I will tell you tell my friend about India, Vikram said. Now, after hearing this answer, grandfather was very upset and he switched off the television saying that nowadays people don't have patriotic feeling in them, said they don't love their country, so they don't know anything about their country. He was very sad by listening the answer from the people. Grandfather, don't worry, Vikram told, I will tell my friend about India, Vikram said. Now his grandson Vikram told, grandfather, don't worry, I will tell about the history of our country to the people. Then he started to tell what? God has given you a particular country to live, a country called India, a land blessed with river, mountain and rich mineral resources. Vikram is saying, God has blessed us with a beautiful country called India, a country which is full of rivers, mountains and minerals inside the earth. Great leaders have made sacrifice to free our country from British. Many freedom fighters, great leaders have sacrificed their life, or they have given their life for the sake of the country, to make our country free from the British rule. Soldier guard our border facing the heat and cold to protect the country, and soldier guard our borders with their arms and ammunition to fight against the enemy, so that they will not enter to our country. Scientists, artists, sportsperson, etc. have made India proud with their talent, and rest scientists, different type of artists, sportsperson in our country also made proud of our country through their talents. As future citizen of India, you too have a role to play. Read about India's history, both the good time and the bad time. Make sure you know the word of the national anthem, honor the national flag, respect your fellow countrymen and women, buy things made in the country, be a true Indian. Now, Vikram told, we should give respect to our country and the people of our country, and we, being a part of this country, we should always feel proud of our country's history. We should know good, bad thing about our country, make sure that we should know every word of our national anthem, honor our national flag, respect your fellow countrymen and women. We should respect our country people, men and women. By things made in the country, we are a true Indian. And we should buy the things which are made in our country, made in India, and be a true Indian. Use only product made of India. This is about the country's, about the lesson, feeling proud of your motherland, your country, and you should know your history very well. Unless you know your history, then you cannot know the importance of getting freedom, how you are enjoying a free life now, how people have sacrificed their life for the sake of the country, how we are being protected from the external enemies by our soldiers, how every field, artist, your sportsperson, your freedom fighters, they have contributed for the sake of the countries, and being citizen of the country, you also take part in the betterment of the future of our country. Thank you children for watching this video. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye bye.